Welcome to our podcast, where we cover unique and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss how global warming is putting species at risk in these mountains. Global warming, which can disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems, is now becoming a huge issue for the survival of species in the mountain regions. A new study has revealed that species dwelling in 17 mountainous regions across the globe is facing the risk of being on the verge of extinction due to the impact of global warming. This stark research was published in the journal Nature. Even as there is known information on how phenomena like glacier retreat, shifts in vegetation zones, and loss of biodiversity can lead to havoc on mountain ecosystems. An international team of researchers has now put a renewed spotlight on the alarming consequences of global warming in these regions. The study conducted by the team, spearheaded by Academia Sinica in Taiwan, identified mountainous areas in diverse regions which are particularly vulnerable to the ravages of global warming. These risk-prone regions include the Northeast Asia, Iran-Pakistan belt, Western America, Brazilian highlands, the Mediterranean basin, and Mexico. The team has also showed an urgency on the meteorological monitoring stations in mountainous areas globally because they play a crucial role in understanding the interactions between weather patterns and mountain ecosystems. These stations provide valuable data on temperature, wind patterns, precipitation, humidity, and other meteorological parameters. The research has introduced a new methodology to estimate climate velocities in mountainous terrains. This incorporates vital factors such as surface warming and humidity. Study's lead author, Dr. Wei-Ping Chan, reportedly explained, "The mountainous regions of Taiwan, like Japan, are more affected by humidity-induced high velocities than continental regions. Our study suggests that accounting for humidity is critical to fully understanding the variability of temperature isothermal shifts in mountainous areas worldwide." Lead researcher Dr. Shengfeng Shen, also from Academia Sinica, pointed out the challenges posed by data deficit. Shen admitted that the lack of meteorological observation data from mountains is both the most valuable and the biggest challenge of our study. As there is a dearth of a comprehensive data, the team is relying on different models. Shen added, "The unique characteristics of various mountain regions and the absence of local data mean that just because an area isn't highlighted doesn't mean it's unaffected." That's all from this podcast. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected for more exciting discussions and updates in our next podcast.